Here we have our smaller pumps, and we're going to flip it on its back here. We're going to show you how to take the handle housing off from the motor housing. And you might want to wear gloves. I'm kind of used to it, so you take both hands and just give it a pretty firm push, and it'll break free. So now we have the handle loose. Just continue with it off. Just take it off that way. And you take the debris screen, make sure it's clean. And this, you take this impeller housing, and you can change your different angles this way. You have 3 different positions there. You turn it around. You have 3 different ones. Remember that's your notch on the bottom. And you take that off, and you take your flat bladed screwdriver and reach underneath. You pop the impeller and armature out. Make sure it's free of any debris. And there's a screen right here. You want to make sure that that's free of any debris or algae or any other things that would impede flow. Clean that, make sure it's nice and free, and make sure there's no debris inside here or sand. Look inside the motor housing and make sure it's free of sand and debris, because you don't want it rubbing and grinding. Just want to make sure it's free spinning. When you get ready to put it back, this only goes one way. There's a white notch right here, and there's another white notch right here. And that is the position it needs to be in. Just take your flat bladed screwdriver and just gently pry it over. So that's just like the bigger pumps. This actually has a hole through the motor, the armature shaft, all the way through. So take a little pipe brush and just make sure it's clean and clear, or you can use compressed air and make sure it's clean. You don't want any debris in there. Go from both ends, blow it out, make sure it's clean, make it a happy motor. When you get ready to put it back in, make sure you find a white notch here. Line it up with the part that has a white notch right there. Take your screwdriver and just gently pry it over till it clicks. Doesn't take much. You want to reassemble it. Find your bottom notch. Flip it all the way around. So desired location, you have your debris screen, make sure it's all nice and clear. Put your handle housing back on. Same way as you took it off, just gently push it back on, and you're good to go.